Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to customize news feeds on the StockNote Web. Open StockNote Web and log in with your client ID, password and year of birth. Click on the StockNote filter located besides the search bar. Here, you can see multiple filters such as segment, sentiment, event, source, asset class and media filter. Under the segment category, you can filter notes like equity, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, index and IPO. Under the sentiment category, you can choose to filter scripts with sentiments like neutral, bullish and bearish. Likewise, you can filter the notes based on events like shareholder meetings, financial results, corporate actions, etc. And even filter sources from where you would like to receive the market news like Money Control, NSE, BSE, Business Standard, Bloomberg Quint, etc. Under the asset class, you can choose to filter notes of different assets like mutual funds, equity and equity derivatives, insurance, currency and commodity derivatives. Once you select the desired filters, only the notes under the respective asset class will be visible in your StockNote feed. Similarly, you could even filter the notes with and without media like photos or videos, etc. And that's how you can customize the news feed on the StockNote Web. If you have any queries, then contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support/ticket. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.